This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: an HTML form with IDs, proper input types, and initial required attributes. Once done, attach a script at the end of the page so the DOM is ready. Next, add event listeners for submit, input, and blur. This gives you both final and instant validation. You will prevent default submission when checks fail, collect field values in variables, and run small, focused validator functions. Make sure to group common checks now for reuse. You now implement the central logic. Write reusable validator functions for required fields, email format, rejects patterns, and min/max lengths. Then wire those to each input using a map of rules so you avoid repetitive code. Once a rule runs, update visual state classes and put messages into an area live element for accessibility. Also, leverage the constraint validation API when possible, and add custom checks for complex rules. So behavior, you finish by running a final validation pass on submit, and when all checks pass, clear errors and either call form, submit, or post via fetch. Once a server response arrives, validate it and surface any server-side errors inline. If things go wrong, reproduce the failing case, log field values, test your rejects against sample inputs, and step through listeners with breakpoints. Make sure to verify event. Prevent default is used correctly. Otherwise, the browser may submit before your async checks complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.